Hi, sweet kids. This is Mrs. Rohrig. We are going to do our Mindset Monday together, and all month long we have been talking about we are connected. The mindset we are connected, and we have taken our hands and put our fingers together. We've intertwined our fingers together to show that we are connected. And being connected means being part of a team and making sure you're encouraging everyone on your team to make good choices and to do the right thing. Well, today for our mindset, we are going to be adding to lead with value. So let's get started. I shared this dance on our Mindset Monday tab in Google Classroom, so I hope you take the time to do that fun dance. And then here it says, I can lead with value because we are connected. Do you think that it is more important to have a friend or be a friend? That's our first question. And when I think of if it's more important to have a friend or to be a friend, I think both are very important. Being a good friend is important, and having a friend is important. It also says, what does it mean to lead with value? Leading with value is encouraging other people who are watching you be a leader and encouraging them to do good and make the right choices. All right, and here is a video for us to watch all about, it says, give a hand. All right, so let's go and talk about that. This is our discussion part. It says, what did the girl do to be a leader? What do you think she did to be a leader? Well, if you remember at the very beginning of the video that we watched, she helped the boy get up when he fell off of his skateboard. And I think that just being a leader in that situation is just being nice. Then it says, what did everyone else do when they saw her helping someone else? When you see other people doing something good or doing the right thing, encouraging others, does it make you want to do good and encourage others too? I know it makes me want to encourage others and do the right thing. I think that's what everyone else in the video also thought when they saw her helping someone else. This says, how did this also make her a good friend? How did it make her a good friend? If it were me and this was my dream team, I would want her to be on my dream team because she was helping others all along her journey in the video. And I think that makes her a very good friend, is to help others. This is, how can you lead with value to be connected? How do you think you can lead with value to be connected? This is the activity, My Dream Team. I'm going to encourage you to draw a picture of your dream team. Think about who's on your dream team and why they're on their dream team. Remember, people that are on your dream team are people that help you be your best self. They're always encouraging you to do good and to do the right thing. This is your challenge, to work on leading with value. And I know, sweet kids, that you can lead with value. Even as a kindergartner, you can lead with value and you can encourage other people to do good and to do the right thing. I can lead with value because we are connected.